county ya 15 nomo ase uguchakiwa gw'Ekegambero kirakonye akugayana ebiine bike ekyo kimanyikanete nga alternative justice system. OMOYEGA ORAGWA n'OMONACHI OMONENE ime ya Kenya omosubati Martha KOOME kolengana na Martha KOOME NIGO aenekire buna Ekegambero ke inkerente obokoleri bw'okugayana ebiine bike ang'ena abantu egento kere kubwatekana n'erichiko obo ly'omugavana bwe county ya Kisii omosike Simba arati tikatuko oroboti urasenchira y'obwekerano korasomoliketo opethwe.
And now we launch the Kisii County Action Plan. Can we celebrate?
Bono county ya Kisii niyo yabeire county 15 nomo asogochakiwe Ekegambero kirakonye kugayana ebiine bike gosa alternative justice system muigora warichukura rero n'OMONACHI OMONENE mensi ya Kenya moswathi Martha KOOME.
It's a significant milestone not only for the people of Kisii but also for our national journey towards building a justice system that is more accessible, that is more inclusive, and that is responding to the needs of our people.
Kuringana Martha KOOME nigaenekire bune Ekegambero ikengereta obokoreri bw'okugayana ebiine ebyo ang'ena abantu egentokera okubwatekana n'erichiko.
So today's launch reaffirms our constitutional commitment to ensure that justice reaches every Kenyan through pathways that respond to their lived realities. Justice is not only found in the courtroom, it's found in our families, in our communities, in a marketplace where we work, and this is really a constitutional imperative that are consistent with our constitutional values.
Kubwatekana nayo nigo bono Martha KOOME atebire nigo bikubwaterana kero monto eri gwikera kugayana ebiina wikera kero monto oisanekire.
They have to mind about inclusivity. That is why we see women, men, the youth, persons with who are differently abled. They are all members of the community. They also have to hear everybody and make notes and make a determination which is signed by everybody.
Since meya mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Musika Paul Simbarati ngairoko boko cyagwe Ekegambero ekyo na kwirana byasaba bwatani bonse banegatia yo ikeranire.
Indeed, this is landmark event underscores the county's shared commitment to strengthening access to justice through community-based and people-centered approach. In a special way, I wish to extend my sincere appreciation to Honorable Justice Martha KOOME for her distinguished leadership and unwavering commitment to advancing access to justice for all Kenyans. Their collaboration and commitments have played a significant role in strengthening initiatives to promote access to justice and community development. I wish to extend my sincere appreciation to Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, of the United Nations, through their office, Mr. Sebastiana Menza.
Partnering with the ELC Court, and even today when we are launching this Ekeyia County Action Plan. We also continue to support the county's spatial planning in the county to address the issues of land fragmentation, which is another potential cause of conflict.
Boigo OMONACHI Joel Nkugi oyoenekia okorosikwa na gwikirani wa kumrobereyo nigo aganirio kubwaterana eri konyora richibu ryo bwene.
Tukiana sisi wote wazee, vijana, viongozi na taasisi zote, hakuna mgogoro wowote ambao hauwezi kupata suluhu yenye haki.
Asibona sensema yomo commissioner bwe county ya Kisii James Kamau abori yabagaka nabangina abo brachikogayana ebiine ebyo kwenekyo obwene n'obwasyoku.
I would appeal our elders, our honorable elders, now that you have been given that responsibility of ensuring that justice is brought more closer to our people.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kurasikia mbere kenagia Kisii Chepethuel Machin.